Hey everyone, today let's talk about something super important for your everyday health, vitamin C. You might know it as the vitamin that helps you fight off colds, but there's so much more to it. So why do you need vitamin C every single day? Let's dive in. First, vitamin C is an essential nutrient, which means your body can't produce it on its own. You have to get it from your diet or supplements. It's found in all sorts of fruits and veggies like oranges, strawberries, bell peppers and broccoli. But why is it so crucial? For starters, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can harm your body. This means vitamin C plays a big role in reducing inflammation and slowing down the aging process. Who doesn't want to feel younger, right? Now let's talk about your immune system. Vitamin C is famous for boosting immunity. It encourages the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. Plus, it enhances the function of these cells, making them more effective at protecting you. So, if you want to stay healthy and fend off those pesky colds, vitamin C is your best friend. But wait, there's more. Vitamin C is also vital for your skin's health. It helps your body produce collagen, a protein that keeps your skin firm and youthful. Collagen also aids in wound healing, so if you get a cut or a scrape, vitamin C can help you recover faster. Another cool fact, vitamin C improves iron absorption from plant-based foods. Iron is crucial for making red blood cells and transporting oxygen throughout your body. This is especially important for vegetarians and vegans who might not get enough iron from their diet alone. So how much vitamin C do you actually need? The recommended daily amount for adults is about 65 to 90 milligrams, but you can safely consume up to 2,000 milligrams per day. If you're getting your vitamin C from food, a single orange or a cup of strawberries can give you a good portion of your daily needs. To sum it all up, vitamin C is a powerhouse nutrient that supports your immune system, enhances your skin, helps with iron absorption, and protects your cells from damage. It's a simple addition to your daily routine that can make a big difference in your overall health. So make sure to load up on those vitamin C rich foods or consider a supplement if needed. Your body will thank you. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome health tips. See you next time.